Good morning. Good morning. Another day of solid trading. Another day of income producing. I'm here, El Toro DeMario, the passive income guru, and I'm going to put on a live trade here shortly. And I wanted to show you guys, how I put on a trade to make some money for this Friday. As you know, we trade options. Options is the best vehicle to trade. I'll put that against anything. But you want to know how to trade everything. You want to know everything. But options is where you can make the most bang for your buck. So instead of preaching to you this time, instead of talking to you this time, I'm going to put on a live trade. Yep. Passive income. What are your income goals? My income goal is to make anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 per week, if not more, trading options. And that's just that, right? 2, 4, 6, 8 to $10,000 a month. That is my goal to make trading options. I've invested the time. I've invested the wherewithal. I've invested everything that you can invest into learning how to trade options. I've learned it so much till I became. Let me get my picture over here. You don't need my picture. Oh, here he is. Yeah. So I've learned it so much where I became, somewhat of a guru in trading options. So right now, Tesla is down about a couple of bucks today. I was in a trade for Friday that said it would finish above $300. The stock price would be at least above $300, and I was going to collect about $880 for that trade. I didn't feel right about that trade, so this morning I got out and made only $15. But guess what? I'm about to go get back in at about $290 or maybe $287 right now. $287, saying that Tesla will finish above $290, or Tesla will finish above $287.50. It just depends on the strike prices that are available. What are strike prices? Strike prices. This is an option chain right here, right? So, I work off two different systems, so this is what you call an option chain here. All right. And this is an option chain. This is TD Ameritrade. This is TradeStation. These are the platforms that I trade off of. TradeStation is what I like to do my analysis off of because it has an award-winning analysis program, right? Look at this. Look at the colors. Look at all the things that you can do on this, but it costs $500 to get with TradeStation. However, Thinkorswim is a free platform. It costs you nothing to sign up. You just need to know what you're doing, right? Anyway, a strike price is right down the middle right here. See strike? Those are the prices that you can buy or you can sell at. If you're going to buy a call, if you're going to sell a put, if you're going to buy a put, if you're going to sell a call, these are all the prices you'll select from. So your strike price is this. Then you'll select from here. This is how much? $3.80, $4.20, $5.90, $5.30. That's basically $410, $530, $380. Those are your strike prices. But anyway, down to it. If you're here, then you know a little something about it. If not, you can email me, you can text me, you can call me. I'll be more than happy to go over this stuff with you. But anyway, based on my strike selection, I am going to put a trade in on Tesla. I'm going to bet that Tesla finishes above a certain strike. All right. So I'm looking at it. I'm looking at my zones. I'm looking at, let's see. Do I really anticipate Tesla finishing above 300? Right now, I don't know. that it'll finish above 300. It may, but I do know that it's a strong possibility that it'll finish above 290, right? And right now, the implied volatility on Tesla is very, 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 very high, right? So that means we have good premium. That means you can get more money, more bang for your buck, right? Right. All right. So let's figure this out. So I got to trade in on Chipotle as well. Let me check on that trade. All right, so Chipotle is at 436.13. I have a trade in to make about $800 on this Friday as long as Chipotle finishes above $432, right? We'll see. I lost a little money last week with Chipotle. It's in a downtrend, but it was no biggie. You know, we made it right back like the next day or the same day. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to get ready to put on a trade. So this is what I'm thinking. I'm going to put on a Tesla trade, and I may put on an XPX trade. Just depends on how much buying power I have to trade the options. Buying power. Buying power is the amount of money allocated to be able to put into a purgatory for each trade that you do trade. So my buying power for Chipotle is about $1,800. That's the max loss. That's the max risk. Right, so in order to make the $800, I need to front $1,800 just in case the trade goes against me. But anyway, we're getting ready to put on a trade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait a little bit because amateurs trade from the time that the market opens. You know, 8:30 to 9 is amateur hour. That's what we call amateur hour, right? The market is most volatile between 8:30 and 9 o'clock. It's the most price action. It's the most swings that are happening at 8:30. It's where the emotional traders like to play. Now, if you're a systematic trader such as myself, you know, you kind of wait for the opportunities to present themselves to you, right? Professional traders wait till after 10 a.m. normally to make a trade. Under other circumstances, you know, you may have to get out or get in the trade very quick to get the price that you want. You know, those are opportunities that you would know intuitively. You would know when it's time to do that stuff. But normally you want to wait till after 10 a.m., you know, on trading days to put your trade in, you know, when you're trading options, right? Like I said, the market is most volatile, you know, between 8:30 and 9. You know, between 8:30 and 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., price action is starting to settle. Around 10 a.m., without without tweets or without any type of, damaging news, the market will settle out around 10 and kind of perform where it's supposed to perform for that day. But anyway, we're getting ready to put a trade in on Tesla. I'm thinking about putting another trade in on Chipotle, and then the SPX. I'm thinking about putting a daily trade in today, right? Make some money today on the SPX. So we're just watching, man. I've been watching Tesla for the last hour, and it's been going up, it's been going down, it's been going up. But the thing is, it's been going down, right? So it's opened up this morning at $303. Now it's at $298.03, right? It's in a downtrend. It's in a downtrend. Just for now, right? So my price action is just for short-term income only. I'm not looking at long-term opportunities. We can look at long-term opportunities, but nobody knows what's going to happen long-term. We don't know what the Fed is going to do. We don't know if they're going to hike prices, interest rates. We just don't know. We don't know what Trump is going to do. We don't know what's going to happen in North Korea. If you would like to do the Warren Buffett approach, which is a long-term type of trading where you invest a lot of money in just to one stock, and you just ride that stock out for, a year, 2 years, 3 years, then, that's more of a wealth type trading strategy. Here, what I operate under, what I teach, or what I suggest, or what I feel most comfortable doing is weekly income trading. My trades only last, anywhere from a day to 2 weeks. We're not day traders. We don't trade for daily income. Although it's possible, options is not your vehicle for day trading. It's just not. You do have weekly expirations, like on the SPX, for example. Let's pull it up. SPX. That's not what I tried to do. Only wanted one. Alright. You see, so it had an expiration on Monday, which was the 1st. It has an expiration today, which is the 3rd. And also has an expiration for Friday, which is the 5th. So you can make money each one of those expirations. So Monday, 3 times a week, you can go in here and pull out however much money you're willing to risk. Right? You can risk, you can pull out a couple of $100. You can pull out a couple $1,000. It just depends on what you want to do, you know, and how aggressive of a trader you are. Tesla's coming down. I'm glad I'm waiting. As you can see, it's down another, 20 cents. I just want to see how far it's willing to go before I go in. Let's go check the strikes. Tesla. I'm just switching from different systems. You can just use one system, but I like to use both just because I like to keep the practice going on. I like to be optimal at utilizing both systems, and I also trade from my phone as well. All right, so let's try this. How much money can I get for that? It's gonna give me 47 cents, which is $470, or $47, or $45. Right now it's 45. As you can see where my mouse is. $44, $45 for each contract, right? But if I did 10 contracts, that's $460. If I did 5 contracts, that's $200 and what is that? $25, $220, $225, $230 in that range, right? If I increase my spread, I can get $760 to get $10 away right now. And the risk is probably about $4,000. You're going to risk that amount of money. It doesn't mean you're going to lose that amount of money. It just means you're going to risk that amount of money. And they got this one thing in options or in stock trading, period, right? No matter what you trade, you can put stop losses in, right? A stop loss protects you, right? We're gonna put in protection. So if it's 298 now and tomorrow is 292 and it's too close to my 287 or my 290 strikes, then I'm getting out of the trade, period. Let me see, what did I select? Oh, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. I just want to see how much it's going to cost me. So this, it's one of the reasons why I use both systems, is to figure out how much it's going to cost me. All right. I like TD Ameritrade. I like Thinkorswim for different reasons. I just do. It's just my preference. And each trader or each person will figure out what their preference is, what they like, what you like, how you like to trade, what's your style, what's your system. It's different for everybody. No 2 traders are the same. You can put 2 traders in the same room on the same platform on the same days. They'll make 2 different totally types of trades. One may make a lot of money, one may not make a lot money at all, or may lose a lot of money. It just depends. Anyway, I'm here to figure out how much I'm risking. Look at that. Look at that. $704. $740. Confirm. I risk about $4,200. And the reason reason why I want to trade Tesla is because it got good premium, man. It got juicy, 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 juicy premium. We got about 10 more minutes before we put the trade in. We got 10 more minutes, and then we'll put the trade in. We'll put the trade in. So give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Let's see what other opportunities are out there. Tesla's not the only one. Pre-game. All right. I'm just looking. What other hot stocks are out there? I got Apple. Let's see Apple. Apple just made an all-time high today. That's not what I want to see. All right. So yeah, Apple just made an all-time high today. There. Let me see if I can add a color to it. Nope. Add drawing, duplicate drawing, clear drawing. I should be able to add a color to it if I wanted to. Anyway, 233.47 is the highest Apple has ever been. Look at Tesla. Tesla is dropping, dropping. This is so great. This is so great. This is so great. Keep dropping, Tesla. Keep dropping. Tesla's tricky, man. We might need to wait. How far are you gonna go? Let's check the news on Tesla. Let's just see if there's anything going on today. Alright, so Elon Musk got a worse deal than the SEC first offer. Their James Murdoch will be, they're recommending him to replace Elon. Tesla beats its delivery target. Tesla as a whole is, the last earnings that came out back in July, Tesla did great. Outstanding. Tesla did great. So, I like it, man. I like it. I like trading it right now just because it gives me a lot of money to trade. It gives me a lot of opportunity to trade it. I just don't see any end in sight right now. I'm just taking you through real trading protocol, man. I'm just getting you used to the fact of what I do, how I trade. Look at this, man. Look at this. Let's do 285 now. $0.75. Look at this. This shit is still dropping. I'm glad I waited. And this is why you wait till 10 o'clock. This morning it opened up at 304.60. Yesterday it closed at 301. So it opened up higher than what it closed, as if the price was taken off to the upside. Dibble dabble for a little minute, and now it's down. It's down $10, but it's only saying that it's down $5. But it closed yesterday at 301, and it opened today at 304, and is at $2.95 right now. So that's about $9 that is down. Man, we are about to make some money right now. I'm looking at making about $770 right now. $780. And I can make more than that if I got closer. $940 there. We're going to see though. We're just going to wait till 10 o'clock, as I told you. Then I'm at home. I'm at home. I'm making money at home right now. This is what I do. This is what I'm doing for work right now. This is what I'm doing. Look at Tesla, man. Since we talked, Tesla's around $299. Since we first opened this, and I told you we're gonna wait till 10 o'clock. And you see, waiting till 10 o'clock saved me some money, or put more money in my pocket. Let me tell you that. It put more money in my pocket, because as price gets closer and closer to where I want to get in, that it inflates the premium. Premium is juice. Premium is gravy, baby. Premium is what you want. You want a high premium on the options that you're buying and you're selling on. And I'm just waiting. I am just waiting. Yep. We're getting to the point where we're going to put in a trade. Right, let me go back. Pre-game. Look at goddamn Chipotle, man. Chipotle should technically be getting ready to go back up. Technically speaking, it's been going down since last week. It is time for it to make a move to the upside. And we're just waiting. And this is the platform I'm going to put the trade in on. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. Look at that. I think I got it. I think this is it. Let's do it. 10 contracts. So I'm gonna make $850. $870. $900. $880. $890. $900. $910. $920. The lower it goes, the more money I get. $930. $940. $890. It just depends on the price. I'm just going to wait just a little bit more because it's not quite 10 o'clock. But we're getting ready to put this trade in. I'm glad I waited because I was going to get in at 290. Remember when I first started the stream or whatever this is called, I was talking about 290, 287. I got an even lower strike, just saying that, hey, by Friday, it's going to finish above 285. And I got my protection saying that it won't go, if it goes any lower than 280, I'm protected. Because anything lower than 280, I make money on buying the 280 strike. 860, 870, 880. Yeah, we're getting ready to get in here. Let me look at the chart one more time. Let's look at the chart one more time. So Tesla moves about $17 per day, up or down. I'm just watching the price, man. I'm getting ready to get in. I'm just taking it really, really, really seriously. And then why would I choose 285? Where's 285 at? $285 is in that wick right there, baby. Yeah, we're going for it. Let's do it, baby. Let's make some money. All right, $910, $900. Let's make it. Good to cancel. I want the 91 cent. I just put the trade
Order
in.
filled.
I got filled, ladies and gentlemen. I got filled. If I would have waited a little longer, I probably would have got a little bit more money. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna manage the trade. Here he is. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I got $910. They gave me $910 to hold. As long as the stock finishes above $285 by Friday, we're good. But this is what I'm gonna do. Look, it's still going down. Maybe I should have waited a little longer. Maybe I should have waited a little longer. Yeah, it's still going down. Either way, look at it. Right now, I would have got $1,090 if I would have waited. $1,008. $1,060. I got $1,100 if I would have waited. Just a little bit longer. I got $900 instead of that. I should have waited. Either way, you can never get the top, and you can never get the bottom. So what I'm going to do is put an activation rule in. So if Tesla goes down to 287, single trade tick within the national best bid offer, get me out of that goddamn trade. I'm sorry. Pardon my language. But get me out of the trade. If it drops below 287, get me out. 285 is my price point. I'm putting my stops in front of my targets going forward. So yeah, got the activation rule. I'm gonna buy 10 contracts right back. If it's less than 287, get me out of the trade. I'm just gonna place that order. It'll cost me $1,080 to get out. That's estimated. It's not guaranteed because it's a market order. Hold on. We gotta turn this into a market because we don't know what the price will be at 287. Look, and now it's starting to go back up. I think we got in right. We got in right on time, man. What a perfect example of great execution. Now it's going back down to $96. You know, over here you can see what the midpoint is. You can see what the natural is to get in on that, to get in on the trade. But this is a perfect example of how to be patient, how to wait, how to get your trade. Now, if Tesla finishes above 285 by Friday, I collect $910. That's great. I'm going to place this order in. This is my protection. It'll get me out of the trade if Tesla goes down to 287. Anything less than 287, it'll automatically get me out. That's great. So now, that's that. This is an episode of actually how to place a trade, you know, flipping through the different platforms, looking at the different prices. I said a couple of things in here that'll behoove you if you paid attention. If you wait till 10 o'clock to trade, you know, to place your orders in, you'll be great if you wait. You gotta wait though. You know, you want to monitor price action, right? Now here's a gem for you though. Here's a real gem. In 1 year, this helps me out a lot. In 1 year, there are the same amount of up days as they are down days. This is a fact. The same amount of days where the market is skyrocketing up is the exact same amount of days that the market is, you know, skyrocketing down or down. Same amount of up days is the exact same amount of down days, maybe a day or two off. So the market is equal. So if you get too many bad days in a row, right, you got to put your bid in to say that the market is going to go back up. Hold on, I'll leave you one more gem. This is a gem for you. And I should charge you for this. You know what? I'm not even going to say it because I will charge you for it. Can't give this information out for free. But anyway, I will be back here Friday. Let me come back to the mic. Let's close this. We'll be back here Friday. We'll be back here Friday to see if Tesla finishes above 285 and I get to keep my $910. We're going to see. This is how I prove to you that the strategies that I'm doing or whatever I come up with are working. $910 by Friday. We'll see. Thank you guys very much.